Welcome back to the CHERRY MX channel, your one-stop for all things mechanical keyboards. Today, we're going all in on the Nuphy Field75, a keyboard that's making some serious waves in the gaming world. The Nuphy Field75 is a 75% layout keyboard, offering a compact design without compromising on functionality. It features 83 keys, including 8 customizable buttons, giving you the flexibility to tailor your gaming experience to your needs. At the heart of the Nuphy Field75 are two of our top-notch CHERRY MX RGB switches, the MX Speed Silver or the MX Ergo Clear. The MX Speed Silver is all about speed and precision, perfect for those high-stakes gaming moments thanks to a pre-travel of 1.2 mm and a total travel of 3.4 mm, requiring an operating force of 45 cm. The MX Ergo Clear, on the other hand, is our first pre-looped switch with a pre-travel of 2.0 mm and a total travel of 4.0 mm, requiring an operating force of 55 cm, offering a smooth, tactile experience that's just a joy to use. And here's the kicker, you get to choose. That's right, you can pick between the MX Speed Silver for that lightning-fast response or the MX Ergo Clear for that satisfying tactile feedback. It's all about giving you the freedom to game your way. But the Nuphy Field75 isn't just about the switches. This keyboard is packed with features that take your gaming to the next level. It's powered by the state-of-the-art Nordic NRF 52833 chip, delivering a 1000 Hz polling rate for the ultimate rate of fire. Plus, it's got an innovative internal hub that repeats and amplifies the 2.4 GHz signal. So even if your mouse is stationed too far away from the computer, the keyboard's got you covered. And with support for Bluetooth 5.0 and up to 4 concurrent device connections with on-the-fly switching, it's a perfect companion for both gaming and efficient working. Now, let's talk about the keycaps. These aren't your run-of-the-mill keycaps. They're about comfort, aesthetics, and that legendary gaming DNA that the CHERRY profile commands. These keycaps are molded with PPT material known for its durability and resistance to shine over time. The double-shot legend process ensures that the text is crisp, the colors are vibrant, and the surface is resistant to grease and scratches. This means that your keyboard will retain its stunning look even after extensive use. But the Field75's keycaps aren't just about durability and aesthetics. They're also about creating the right atmosphere for your gaming sessions. That's why the Field75 comes with shine-through keycaps in all 4 colors. So whether you're gaming in a lights-off room or just want to add a bit of flair to your setup, these keycaps have got you covered. Now, we've got to talk about the sound, as this is a vital part of the gaming experience. It can make or break your immersion in the game world. That's why the folks at Nuphy have put their rich experience in keyboard acoustic design and engineering to work in creating the Field75. A high-density metal switch plate is at the heart of the Field75's sound engineering. This isn't just any old switch plate. It's been selected specifically for its deeper, low-pitch performance. This means that every key press gives a satisfyingly deep and resonant sound. But the sound engineering doesn't stop there. The Field75 also features the dynamic duo of plate Poron and PCB IXPE. These two work seamlessly together to absorb any hollow sounds and purify the typing sound. The result? A superbly clean and clear sound environment that enhances your gaming performance. And let's not forget about the Ghost Bar. This much-loved feature, which debuted on the Halo series, is also coming to the Field75. It's equipped with Silent Cone, Nuphy's pioneering spacebar acoustic shaping, and hollow sound elimination technology. This includes a silicone sound absorber, polycarbonate connector, and a PBT stabilizer noise reduction chamber. With all of these features, you get to enjoy a hollow sound-free gaming environment and a perfectly blended-in spacebar sound. Your keyboard's backlighting should express your personality and be customizable to your heart's content. The Nuphy Field75 features a gear-shaped knob which puts any of the 10 built-in lighting effects just a turn of the finger away. Of course, almost infinite customizability in 16 million colors is accessible in the Nuphy console. Each Field75 keyboard is hot swappable, allowing you to easily replace or upgrade your switches without soldering and to enjoy a different typing experience free of restriction. Nuphy also offers some bonus mechanical switches inside the package. This enables different typing experience as well as easy replacement. And the best part? The Nuphy Field75 is built for both Mac and Windows. Nuphy's been updating and fine-tuning the multimedia keys layout and functions for Mac OS and Windows on their keyboards to reflect the newest developments from OS vendors. So, there you have it. The Nuphy Field75, equipped with CHERRY MX switches, is a keyboard that's designed to take your gaming to the next level. It's got speed, precision, design, and sound engineering all wrapped up in one sleek package. And that's it for our deep dive into the Nuphy Field75. If you dug this video and found it informative, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you're itching to get a Nuphy Field75 for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Remember, every like, share and comment helps us bring you more of the content you love. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care.